Who doesn't know the issue? Every morning when I go in my shower and turn on the thermostat, I have to wait for warm water. And by doing so, I waste a lot of energy and water. In a small family of a small household, you lose about 16,000 liters a year, and I even don't want to talk about a sustainability issue. What we have developed is a Combi Port E, which directly delivers the perfect temperature for the shower instantly. We have developed an iconic design for our remote control, which you can see here. It's very intuitive to use. You just dial here to change the water flow. With a push of a button, you change and can adjust the temperature easily. And if you want to change to a head shower or a hand shower, it's very intuitive just to push on the icons itself. On the other side, architects really love this minimalistic design since you do not have a big plate anymore of a thermostat into the shower. We have just launched a product here on ISH, but already got a recognition with the first design awards, which is the IF Design Award.